Look no further than the Garmin Instinct 2X Solar Tactical Black. This watch is built to withstand even the toughest environments, with a durable fiber-reinforced polymer bezel and a silicone strap that's comfortable to wear all day long. And with features like GPS, heart rate monitoring, and blood oxygen monitoring, you'll have all the information you need to make the most of your time outdoors. One of the standout features of the Garmin Instinct 2X Solar Tactical Black is its Powerglass trademark lens. This innovative material is designed to maximize the amount of sunlight that reaches the watch face, allowing it to recharge its battery using nothing but the power of the sun. This means you can spend more time outdoors without worrying about running out of battery life. The watch's monochrome sunlight visible display is also a key feature, making it easy to read the time and track your progress even in bright sunlight. And with transflective memory in pixel (MIP) technology, the display is easy to read in all lighting conditions, including low light. The Garmin Instinct 2X Solar Tactical Black is also water-resistant to 10 ATM, which means you can wear it while swimming, snorkeling, or diving. And with a battery life of up to 40 days in smartwatch mode and up to 60 hours in GPS mode, 145 hours with solar, you won't have to worry about running out of power during your adventures. One of the key features of the Garmin Instinct 2X Solar Tactical Black is its heart rate monitoring and blood oxygen monitoring capabilities. These features allow you to track your fitness levels and ensure that you're performing at your best. And with GPS and accelerometer capabilities, you can track your distance, speed, and activity level, helping you stay on track with your fitness goals. The watch also features a compass and altimeter, which are essential tools for outdoor enthusiasts. The compass can help you navigate through unfamiliar terrain, while the altimeter can help you track your elevation and make sure you're staying on course. Overall, the Garmin Instinct 2X Solar Tactical Black is an exceptional smartwatch that delivers the perfect combination of style, durability, and functionality. Whether you're a serious athlete or just someone who loves spending time in the great outdoors, this watch is sure to impress. With its long battery life, advanced features, and rugged design, the Instinct 2X Solar Tactical Black is the perfect companion for all your outdoor adventures.